This thing now seems to be coming full circle.
Exactly, sir. This is why I want to be very strategic in this approach.
Oh, I fully appreciate that. So, tell me more.
Bizzle just suddenly went off the grid after selling out the restaurant. And it seems like Bull don't have a clue.
I disagree. I think Bull have more than a clue. But him brighter than Bizzle. That's what you call him? Bizzle. Name sound like Andrew's liver sauce. Him stupid enough to push it where him push it. And Bull smart enough to tuck in and wait for the run to the line.
Well, I would like to set up Bull.
Set him up. Set him up. To elaborate, exactly how would we do this?
Alright, sir. Him run a tour company. Him have a bus. What if they found weapons on the bus?
I don't get it.
Alright, work with me. The agency found some weapons, right? Inclusive of AR-15. What if 2 of the AR-15 was found on board bus?
Toniann. What do you think about it?
No. Calm. I understand your problem. Calm. There must be more to this. So, elaborate, please. 1. How are these 2 imaginary AR-15s getting on Bull's bus?
Alright, just because you're Mr. Mullings, what if you sign on 2 of them, give them to me, and me get them on Bull bus?
I just want to be clear. I mean name what me name, don't it?
Yeah.
Let me see this now. I mean name what me name. So, I am going to go to Superintendent Tracy, who's already logged these into his armory area and detention. And said to him, so, you waited for me. He said, them AR-15 there? I need 2. So me I come for them, yeah? And that you want me to do, right?
Just tell him I borrow them. Tell him it's a sting operation.
And you want to be? Because you see, I have a problem. I recently had a run-in with a wasp. And now, you want me to take the career when me draw out of the toilet the other day and flush it because you're the female Martin Luther King. You have a dream which could turn out to be my nightmare.
I know how it sound, but I don't know so when you give me a chance to spearhead this operation. So, this is the plan.
Okay. I know I said I would allow you to spearhead this operation. But nowhere at no time did I say that spear was going to be up my ass.
Sir, you always tell us how to take chance. You take chance, you take 1,200 out of the ammunition. This is me. I think outside the box.
The box.
Sir!
What? You don't have fever.
Sir, check again. Come sure she have one.
At what age does dementia start?
My aim is not to lock him up, but to frame him. That way then, he can sign over the business back to my mother.
Okay. Suppose the trio will liquid and decide to go with you. Who is going to search the bus?
Well, for a major operation like this, I will use someone I once had by the